Hello and welcome. Today, I'll be introducing the Registration of Engineers Act 1967, or simply REA 1967. This legislation plays a pivotal role in shaping the engineering profession in Malaysia. It is essential for engineers, technologists, and stakeholders in the construction and infrastructure sectors to understand the scope and implications of this act. The REA 1967 not only defines who can be recognized as an engineer but also outlines the responsibilities and obligations that come with the title. By setting a legal framework, the Act ensures that engineering practices are conducted in a safe, professional, and accountable manner, thereby safeguarding public interest and maintaining high standards within the profession. The Registration of Engineers Act 1967 is one of the most significant pieces of legislation governing the engineering profession in Malaysia. It provides a comprehensive legal framework that regulates who can be called an engineer, the categories of registration available, and the responsibilities and obligations of registered individuals. This framework is crucial for maintaining the integrity and professionalism of engineering practices. By enforcing standards and qualifications, the Act ensures that only competent and qualified individuals are allowed to practice engineering. This not only protects public safety but also promotes accountability and ethical conduct among engineers. The Act serves as a safeguard for both the profession and society, ensuring that engineering services are delivered with the highest level of professionalism and reliability. The Registration of Engineers Act was first introduced in 1967 and has undergone several amendments to stay relevant with the evolving engineering landscape in Malaysia. The most recent amendment was made in 2023, reflecting the Act's adaptability to professional growth and national development. These amendments ensure that the legislation remains aligned with current practices, technological advancements, and international standards. The continuous updates also demonstrate the government's commitment to enhancing the engineering profession and addressing emerging challenges. Understanding the historical context of the Act helps professionals appreciate its evolution and the rationale behind its provisions, thereby fostering a deeper respect for regulatory compliance and professional development. The Board of Engineers Malaysia, BEM, was established under the REA 1967 and serves as the regulatory authority for the engineering profession in the country. BEM's primary functions include registering engineers, enforcing professional standards, and exercising disciplinary powers to protect the public. By maintaining a registry of qualified professionals, BEM ensures that only those who meet the required standards are allowed to practice. The board also monitors compliance with the Code of Professional Conduct and has the authority to investigate and take action against negligence or misconduct. BEM's role is critical in upholding the integrity of the engineering profession and ensuring that public safety and welfare are not compromised by substandard practices. The REA 1967 outlines several categories of registration to accommodate different levels of qualification and professional experience. These include graduate engineer, professional engineer, PE, professional engineer with practicing certificate, PEPC, engineering technologist, and inspector of works. A graduate engineer holds a recognized engineering qualification and is typically at the beginning of their professional journey. A PE has gained sufficient experience and passed a professional assessment, while a PEPC is authorized to submit and certify engineering plans. Engineering technologists and inspectors of works play supportive roles in the broader engineering practice. These categories ensure that the profession is inclusive yet regulated, allowing for a structured progression and clear delineation of responsibilities. The REA 1967 enforces several key regulations to maintain professional standards and public safety. Firstly, only registered individuals are allowed to use the titles engineer or offer engineering services. This restriction prevents unqualified individuals from misrepresenting themselves and ensures that engineering tasks are performed by competent professionals. Secondly, only PEPC holders are authorized to submit engineering drawings to local authorities, reinforcing the importance of accountability in public infrastructure projects. The Act also mandates compliance with BEM's Code of Professional Conduct and grants BEM disciplinary powers to investigate and act on professional misconduct. Additionally, the use of the titles IR is reserved for professional engineers, and firms offering engineering consultancy services must register with BEM, with at least one PEPC as a partner or director. Non-compliance with these regulations can result in fines, suspension, or imprisonment, highlighting the seriousness of adhering to the Act. The Registration of Engineers Act 1967 is more than just a legal document, it is a cornerstone of the engineering profession in Malaysia. It ensures that only qualified and competent individuals are allowed to practice engineering, thereby protecting public safety and upholding professional standards. The Act fosters a culture of accountability, ethical conduct, and continuous professional development. By understanding and complying with the REA 1967, engineers contribute to the integrity and advancement of the profession. The legislation also reassures the public that engineering services are delivered by professionals who are regulated and held to high standards. In conclusion, REA 1967 serves as a safeguard for both the profession and society, reinforcing the importance of regulation in maintaining trust and excellence in engineering.
If you like our content, kindly like, share and subscribe.